Welcome to this video on how to troubleshoot and fix a night owl camera that displays a no signal error. We will guide you through several steps to help you identify and resolve the issue. First, verify your physical connections. Ensure all power adapters are securely plugged in and indicator lights are on. Check that all BNC or Ethernet cables are firmly connected to both the camera and the DVR or NVR. Inspect your cables for any signs of damage, like kinks, cuts, or corrosion, and try swapping in cables from a working unit to test. Next, check your DVR or NVR channel configuration. Access the system menu using a mouse and monitor. Navigate to the channel settings or camera management section to verify the input type is correct, such as analog or IP. Ensure the camera channel is enabled and not hidden, and try using the system's auto-detect feature if available. If the issue persists, you may need to isolate and test your video cables. Disconnect the problematic camera's cable from the DVR or NVR and connect a known working camera to the same port. If that camera works, the original cable is likely faulty. You can also try connecting the problematic camera using a cable you know is functional. Performing a full system reboot can often resolve temporary communication glitches. Power off your DVR or NVR by unplugging it from the outlet and disconnect power from your cameras. Wait for at least 30 seconds for the system to discharge, then plug the recorder back in. Once it boots, reconnect the cameras one by one. Updating your firmware is another essential step. Visit the official Night Owl support website, locate the download section for your specific model, and save the latest firmware to a USB drive. Connect this drive to your DVR or NVR. Access the System or Maintenance menu, and follow the on-screen instructions to upgrade. Finally, remember that you have platform-specific options. You can manage settings via your DVR's local interface using a mouse or through the Night Owl Protect mobile app. Always check the App Store for any updates to ensure your mobile software remains compatible with your system.